Hello and welcome to PBA 405, where public policy comes alive. We are in our second week of policy analysis and have a very exciting week ahead of us where we're going to study the roles of a policy analyst. Um, Also, wanted to introduce you guys to Dixie and Emmy, who are both very sweet girls. They are the Lhasa Shih Tzus that I mentioned in my welcome post to you guys. I really enjoyed reading y'all's posts and getting to know you guys a little bit. This is Dixie and Emmy. Say hi, girls. Y'all want to say hi? Oh, that's right. Hello. Hello, sweet girls. Okay. So anyway, we're going to get into the role of a policy analyst and a lot of the different skills involved, as well as some of the ethical situations and decisions that policy analysts need to make. It's a very interesting start. Basically, the product of a policy analyst is advice. So our role as policy analysts is to give um, recommendations and well thought out scenarios and situations to decision makers. So, for example, the Texas legislature is going on right now, and everybody who is carrying a bill through the legislature is being asked one way or the other, or is asking one way or the other, how does this bill going to implicate our state? What are going to be the consequences? And so they have done research themselves, but also rely extremely heavily on their staff. They have legislative aides, they have legislative directors who are briefing them, who are preparing them with speeches, giving them information and fact sheets to where once those bills are put before the floor and in the House or in the Senate, and the rigorous debates begin, those legislators are prepared to deliver an overview and an argument and support so that everybody can make a decision on whether or not they want to vote for that bill. So that is one example currently of how policy analysis and policy analysts are making a very big difference in outcomes for our state regarding policy. Also, I just wanted to draw quick attention to the ideas of exit, voice, and loyalty. So, whenever a policy analyst is put into a perspective of having a problem, okay, and they are in an organization where they don't like what is going on, okay, the policy analyst has three options. They can exit, which means they can leave the organization. Okay. They can exhibit voice, which is often also called whistleblowing, and can speak up and can speak their mind and say, "Look, this is not going on." So they remain. They do not exit, but they stay and they voice their concerns. Also, they can exhibit loyalty, which is they just continue moving right on ahead and don't bother with the with creating any kind of a voice or leaving. They just are going to plod right on ahead and just grin and bear it, so to speak. Keep in mind that interesting that the loyalty and the voice will kind of can go hand in hand and can vary to different degrees. So the more loyalty you have, the less voice you'll exercise. The more voice you have, the less loyalty you show, in the sense of that you're those two are kind of complementary to one another. And so that is a quick overview of this week. Hope that y'all have a great one. We're still not getting too deep into things. Some of you may not have your books yet, or something like that. So we're we're just having another week here. We're overviewing the roles and responsibilities of a policy analyst. Hope you enjoyed meeting Dixie and Emmy, and hope everybody has a great week. Feel free to call me or text me or email me or set up a meeting if you want to have a conversation and just see if you have any questions or need any additional information or anything like that. So my cell phone is 512-413-2067. It is an Austin cell phone number. Y'all have a great week, and thank you very much.